Hello everyone, my name is Anita from the Medicine Hat Public Library, and I'd like to welcome you to another craft. So if you've been following us at all, you might have watched our monster story time. So I've got for you today a monsters craft. And the really cool thing about this craft is I just used toilet paper rolls, some colored paper, some glue, a pair of scissors, a marker, and maybe some googly eyes or some things to, decorate it up a bit. So here I've got Mom. So I've got just made different kind of lips, and I put a little button on. I found some things in my craft drawer, and I made the hair right out of the paper. You could do some other things. So what I did with the little one is I had feathers. So I put feathers and just a little different mouth, and I put 3 little eyes. What I noticed though, and you might see this as I'm going through this craft, is my glue for some reason is not sticking for some reason. Like, you could use a glue gun if you wanted to make sure, but for some reason my little eyes keep coming off, and I'm not sure if it's the type of glue I'm using, but no matter, you just put quite a bit on, then that probably would be a solution. So I've got this guy, one eye, look at his big eyebrow and his mouth. I just drew that on, and then I used some foam pieces to cut out some teeth to put on there, and I made a grandpa. So I decided to give him a little vest, and I put some little jewels on to kind of be like his vest buttons. And again, I just came up with some different mouths and the bushy eyebrows, the hair. I had some foam pieces. I made a nice spiky hair cut there, put it on there. I've also used yarn. So this little guy has yarn for his hair. And I've got some different colored googly eyes, plus a little pom-pom for his little, I don't know if that was supposed to be like a chin, or when I created it, I was just having fun with it. Okay, so let's get started. This is really simple to make. Like I said, all you need are toilet paper rolls. And I actually kept my piece of paper a full size, because when you glue this around your toilet paper roll, if you leave this part on, you could leave that and make the hair out of it, which is what I did with the mom and the dad. Okay, so that's what I'm going to use for this particular guy. Don't know, or lady, I think this might be grandma. So we'll try that. All right, so I'm going to start gluing. I'll glue this up, and then we'll try and decorate it. Okay. And then what I did for the end is, you could tape this if you like, but I just put on some extra glue and just rubbed it a little bit to make sure that it stayed tacked down, like that. There we go. Now, you don't have to leave this as long as I did, but if you use your pair of scissors now, and boys and girls, if you're doing this and mom and dad are helping you out, you're going to use safer scissors. These are a little bit more pointy, so these are like mom and dad scissors. But all I did was I looked inside to see where the edge of the toilet paper roll was, and I just cut strips right up to it. So like that. There you go. See how they are? And you can make them as thin as you like. You could make them even smaller, thinner than I did here, or narrower, so that it's really, really, so and then I just took my hands and I just did a little flipping like this, crunched them up a little bit, and there's your hair. Okay, now let's decorate Grandma. Grandma, are you ready? Okay, a really good activity too, if you want to, if you have already watched our Monster Story Time and you're going to create these little guys, is you could watch a movie together, Monsters Inc. or maybe Monsters University. That'd be really cool. Maybe you could get some ideas as well for your little monster creations here. So I wasn't sure when I started whether I was going to use googly eyes or just do something different, but I think I'm going to use, I found these little craft buttons. I'm going to put those on for the eyes. So where are your eyes going to be? Put a couple of blue spots here. Now, you don't even have to have them straight, because monsters, they can be a little off. Like we got one eye, and I think her eyes, one's bigger than the other. Which one is it? This one here, I think. one googly eye is bigger than the other one, see? So you could leave them straight, or maybe Grandma's got one eye like that. So now we can draw some eyebrows on. And as you can see from some of the different eyebrows I've got here, I've got some bushy ones, I've got some straight ones. I think Grandma's gonna have a unibrow. Someone just make a little unibrow. Sorry, Grandma. Put that all the way across, like that. And I think Grandma's gonna have a nose. I didn't put a nose on any of these, but let's make a nose there. And how about a nice big smile, but it's gonna go crooked. It's gonna be like that. Yay! And with a tongue maybe. Like that. And I'm just gonna color the rest of it in so it looks like it's a black, cavernous space. Here you go. All right, so now you see we've got a pretty good family of monsters. I hope that if you create some of these, you'll tag us on Instagram, Twitter, send us pictures on Facebook. We'd like to see what you've done, your ideas. Everybody's got different ideas, right? We're not all the same, and that's so wonderful that we're different people and we have different ideas sometimes when it comes to crafts. So my idea of monsters might be different from your idea of monsters. So I hope that you will create some of these, and if you do, please send us pictures. Also, you can take a look on our YouTube channel at MHPublicLibrary to see more crafts and videos. And we certainly so enjoy your presence here and you watching the crafts and the videos and the story times that we've created for you. Take care, and we hope to see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.